Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming videos. Of this video, it's all about crochet flowers designs, crochet flowers ideas, are different types of patterns, different charming, good looking, good stunning, and you will be a perfectly videos in a perfectly designs. Keeping attractive and sharing a most attractive videos in attractive designs. You will be perfectly videos, some things for attractive designs, ideas, and different amazing videos. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos and different amazing designs and different types of elegance videos, elegance designs are trendy and attractive designs. You will be amazing videos upcoming and different newly trendy designs. I have shared with newly videos in a newly designs. In a beautiful things, in a beautiful ideas, you will be amazing and perfectly videos in perfectly designs. You will be amazing. You will be perfectly video. Our basically designs are uploaded for you. So elegant, so gorgeous, looking a fantastic video in a fantastic design. In a beautiful things, in a beautiful ideas, are beautiful ideas in uploaded in my channels. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos. So let's go, inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Take care yourself, take care new videos. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming videos.